my name is Lindsay, and I have a shopping problem. Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel, and happy Pie Day! So, not the yummy, good pie, but the math pie. Ugh. But today's a very special day. Besides it being Pie Day, I have something to unbox with you all that I'm super excited about. So, if you will notice on my channel, I've had a few purse unboxings, and with those, I thought that they were bags that I really wanted, but in reality, I was just trying to placate myself because I knew that I was going to buy another Louis bag coming up. Like, I had a deal with my mom. It's a long thing. I don't want to get into that. But we talked about it, and I went ahead and did it because, you know, we have a trip. I don't want to talk about it because I don't want to jinx it, in September, and I was going to buy it then, but then I was like, I don't know where we were going to go. Didn't really fit, like, I don't know. So I ended up talking myself out of getting it then, and then I was going to wait for the summer, but then they had this bag on the website that you could buy it, and it's been a long time since they had it. So I was like, I want to go ahead and do it. So with that, those bags that I bought to try to placate myself from this, I'm going to try to sell some of them. Some of them I am keeping because I do like them. But anyway, it's a long thing. So we're here now. We're going to open the box. And I want to try to keep it a secret, but I just really want to open this. So I ordered this on Friday, and I got complimentary next day shipping. I don't know how that happened, but you know, I'm here for it. And it came today, which is Monday. So it just took the weekend, basically. Here it is. So we're going to unwrap it. And here's my receipt. I'm going to keep that. I'm so excited. So this is kind of like a late birthday gift to myself slash you're doing awesome slash you're in a better place now and you're going to keep continuing to be in a better place. You know, all that fun stuff. So I didn't write anything in the card this time. I'm pretty sure in one of my other unboxings I wrote something in the gift thing, but okay, I don't want to cut this ribbon, but they tied it super tight and I can't untie that. So, and plus I still kept the ribbon on one of my boxes. So all right, ta-da. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And that box is kind of apart. Oh my gosh. Are we ready? Are we ready? Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. So, this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 and the Empreinte leather, and it has the giant monogram. Oh my gosh, this is my first like leather Louis piece, like the Empreinte. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Let's open her up. Here's what the inside looks like. It is a black hole. So here's the strap. I'll be putting that together in a minute. And the little, like, here's what it is. And then this is made in USA. I have another USA piece. Huh. Was it my Speedy? So I have two Speedies that are made in the US. So like, here's the lock. Ooh, it's cold. And the keys. And then on the inside is like a that suede microfiber type material, but oh my goodness, look, just let's just look. So I saw this bag. I'll have the video linked down below. I can't think of it now because I don't really watch her videos, but she had this bag and I was like, because I remember that they came out with the Speedy 20, like the monogram, but I was like, I know I want the monogram and the 25, so just gonna hold off. And then I saw this one on that video and I was like, I like that. And I kept looking at it and it could actually fit a lot. So I was like, that might be a good bag. And even like my mom, when I first showed her this bag, she said, it's so little. And then I showed her a video that I found on YouTube of somebody packing their bag. And I said, look, it actually fits a lot. And she responded and said, yeah, I have to admit it does. So I got this. I also have a bag organizer coming from Zumani, I think is how you pronounce it. I'll have their website linked down below. I want to try them out. That's the organizer that the girl in the video that I saw had. So I was like, I'll check it out. So I want to set you here for now. Let's take a look at this strap together. Oh, what is on it? There's something sticky on it. What is that? Okay, I'm gonna have to look at that in a minute. So here is the strap. So this is a bandolier strap. So you put it through here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the longest setting. Go ahead, slide that through. Also, excuse my nails, I'm getting them done today. I was gonna get them done Saturday, but then it decided to snow randomly in Tennessee, so you know, that was fun. So also, I know what you may be thinking. You're like, Lindsay, you had an Alma BB, which is a mini bag, but you didn't like it. So you bought another mini bag? And the response to that is, yes, but like I did a lot more research on this one and I thought about this longer and harder than I did for the Alma. That did not sound good. But, you know, I really thought about this one, and in the end, this one, like, I think the Alma, the reason why it didn't work for me was its shape. So I definitely do want an Alma again, but I'm going to go for the PM because I think that that one is a good size. Like, it's big, but not like super, super big. Man, I am turning this dirty. I'm sorry. But, you know, with this one, I love the Speedy. I know that some people are like, you know, it's the basic white girl bag, which that's kind of what I say about the Neverfulls. And, you know, I get it about the Speedy. It's like when everybody wants a Louis Vuitton, most of the time they want a Speedy. And, you know, I can attest to that. My first Louis was a Speedy, but it's because it's a classic bag. And especially with this one, it's a classic bag, but it's a new twist on it because it's the leather, it's a small, and guys, if you remember in my Speedy review video, I talked about one of the complaints that I have with my Damier Speedy is that it's hard to get in because the zipper doesn't go all the way down. It's like Louis Vuitton heard me. Look, like it doesn't just stop here. This is where the zipper stops on my Speedy. It goes down more, so you can actually open this wider and get in there. Like, come on, Louis, thank you. So let's take a look too. Here is the Louis Vuitton Paris stamp, and then here's the bottom. You can see where the canvas met, or the leather met, and how this matches up. What? This is so pretty. I'm so excited. And I think it's gonna fit everything that I need it to. And I really can't wait for that organizer, but I want to go ahead and start carrying this. Okay, so I'm going to go grab the bag that I am carrying and go ahead and fill this bad boy up. I'll be right back. And everything fits in there perfectly. And I'm so excited. Here is everything that I put in there. You can see it all fits nicely. And there's still a little bit of room to put stuff in, but honestly, this is all I need, just like day to day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some mod shots. So here is the bag on the crook of your arm. You definitely can do that if you want to, or you can hand hold it. And then on the longest setting, so right here it is over the shoulder, and then crossbody. So my only complaint again is like it kind of hits right here, which normally I don't like, but I don't know, I think it kind of works for this size. And I've noticed that a lot of girls are carrying crossbody bags that are like super close to them, especially when you have like bum bags and stuff. But I definitely think it fits. And again, for reference, I'm 5'7", 5'8", size 16, if that helps you with anything. And I was afraid that this bag was going to look kind of silly on me with how small it is, but it looks great. Like, I am so excited. New favorite bag. So excited. Can't believe I own this. I'm just trying to think like first impressions. Also, I love the chain. I didn't think that I would like it because the video that I saw, the woman had put her Empreinte strap from her Pochette Matisse on it, and it looked really good, but I don't know, this little chain detail just gives it a little zhuzhing, I think. But oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This has definitely curved my purse buying. Like, I'm done for a little while. Like, I'm not making this my idol or anything, but we bow down, you know. Like, I'm obsessed. So again, the inside, it fits everything perfectly. I will be doing a review on this once I've carried it for a little bit, but I mean, I'm obsessed already. Like, even when I first opened my Alma, I don't know if you could tell it or not, but I was kind of, I'm not sure about this, but we'll give it a go. But this one, I don't have any qualms with at all. Like, it's gorgeous. I'm wondering if you can heat stamp it right here, because, you know, I'm all ready to do that. Like, make it mine. Nobody else is getting this bag. Like, I love it. All right, guys, so that was my unboxing first impressions of my new bag. Absolutely love this thing. Like, I cannot wait to actually take it out and carry it and show her off and be like, So, yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the down bar. Any comments, questions, concerns, but don't be mean. I don't do that on my channel. You will be deleted. Just, I don't want any negativity on here. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you decide to stick around, see what other videos I post. I'm kind of random with my videos because, like, right now I'm in the process of doing, well, I just finished my schooling, but I'm in the process of testing to become a teacher. Hopefully I will get a job soon. One can only hope. So I'm kind of like doing teacher-y videos. I have a couple of gaming videos, not a whole lot because that's not doing well on the channel. but also have a bunch of unboxings, fashion try-ons, different stuff like that. So if any of that interests you, please stick around, subscribe, hit the bell notification to find out when I decide to post. Also, check me out on Instagram. My handle will be on the screen. I post a lot of really cool and funny reels on there, as well as post my daily outfits. So definitely recommend for you to check me out on there. You'll be seeing a lot of this beautiful thing on there. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.